The California High Occupancy Vehicle Sticker Program allows eligible vehicles to use carpool lanes, regardless of the number of occupants. These stickers often place on the vehicle's body, and it grants access to faster and less congested lanes. To protect and preserve these valuable stickers and also the paint on your car, it is a must to use a paint protection film. This review explores the advantages of using California HOV Stickers paint protection film. I bought the PPF stickers on Amazon, and I will link it in the description below. I personally think it is an easy install and definitely worth every penny. Here is what comes with the purchase and how to apply your HOV stickers onto the PPF. So I finally got my EV stickers today at the mail. It took me about 2 months after applying for it. At first I was a little hesitant. I wasn't too sure if I should get the stickers because you do need to stick it on your bumper, and I like a cleaner look, so I don't really want the stickers to be sticking on the bumpers. But for this year it did come with the green one, so I guess it's a lot better than the yellow one, the blue one, the purple one. So I mean, it did cost me about $22 to apply for it, but since I already got the EV, might as well just get the stickers. So one of the concern for me is that the stickers, when they expire, I need a new one. So when I peel it off from the bumper, is it gonna damage the paint? So when the stickers were sent to you, there's an instruction in the package. I just told you to peel off right here and then just stick it onto the bumper. But yeah, my concern was that it might damage the paint in a few years when I try to take it off. There is a product out there. It's called the paint protection film. I got it right there. So in the paint protection film package, it comes in 3 different pieces. I think this is just the general instruction and the information, so we don't need that. So these 2 are the main thing. I don't know if you can see, but these are for the smaller ones that goes in the front bumper. And yeah, so these are the one for the back. It's pretty self-explanatory. You pretty much just peel off the stickers and put it on, and supposedly this product will protect your paints and make it easy to take it off in years after. So yeah, I'll put it on and show you the final results. These are the final products after I put them on. It's pretty easy. It took me about 30 seconds. And the good thing about the paint protection film is that they do tend to make it a little bit bigger, so you don't have to be exact, which is good. I was a little worried that I cannot fit the entire thing on it, but everything's good. So yeah, if you have the EV stickers, I think you do need the paint protection film, so it will be easier for you to take it off after a few years when your stickers expired. And also, the most importantly is to, protect the paint. And if you were to resell your car with the damaged paints, the value is gonna go down. So spend $15 to get these to protect your paints. One of the primary benefits of applying paint protection film to California HOV stickers is its ability to preserve their integrity. PPF acts as a transparent shield that safeguards the area where you put the stickers on. Without the protection, stickers may fall and, most importantly, damage the car paint when you try to take it off in the future when you are ready to apply for a new one. PPF is specifically designed to withstand harsh conditions and protect the underlying surfaces from scratches, scuffs, and chips. The application of the PPF on the HOV stickers safeguards them against accidental impacts from the road debris, stones, or other vehicles. This added durability ensures that the stickers remain intact, eliminating the need for frequent replacements and reducing maintenance costs in the long run. Protecting the original paintwork of the vehicle can significantly impact its resale value. Potential buyers appreciated well-maintained vehicles that show minimal signs of wear and tear. By using PPF to protect the car paint, you can ensure that the vehicle retains its aesthetic appeal, increasing its desirability and potential resale value. As you can see from my installation video, paint protection film is relatively easy to install and definitely easy to remove. When you need to remove the film, it can be peeled off without leaving any residue or damaging the underlying paint. This flexibility makes it convenient to replace the film periodically or remove it altogether if desired. But I don't see the need to change it periodically. Just wait until your HOV stickers expires and peel it off when you are ready to apply for a new one. Using paint protection film instead of directly sticking the California HOV stickers onto the bumper is a practical and worthwhile investment for all the benefits I mentioned above. With easy installation and removal, paint protection film will prevent any damage to the paint when you are ready to peel it off. By opting for this protective measure, you can confidently enjoy the benefits of carpool lanes while preserving the aesthetics and value of your vehicle. It is just a small investment. I definitely regret it if I damage the paint when I peel off the stickers. Well, this is a short video, but I definitely recommend buying a PPF for your HOV stickers. Thank you all for watching. Drive safe and I'll see you on the next one.